It is September 27th, 2020. We're about to adjust our panels for fall.
Work of that.
Good investment, that's for sure.
Yeah. Like it.
Thing from the same side. 8 feet, ½ inch.
Are you holding it?
Yeah. It's like, I'm holding it like that, like it's gonna fall or something. Pitching somewhere.
Why don't you just leave that thing on? You don't like
Because I don't have enough battery for that. If you want me to change the battery every half hour, sure. Oh, that's the next problem, I guess. It has to be on the right part of the post.
Well, should be close. Yeah, just put some screws in it, eh? Other side.
I don't think so. Just to hold them up for now.
Oi! A broom or something.
No, I tried to clean it up. It's very muddy around here.
Do it that way?
Well, we're putting the bottoms down there, are we not?
I know, but I was going to come in this way so we don't have to rest on the thing. All by yourself?
Yeah, by myself.
You're a girl, remember?
I know. You keep reminding me.
Huh?
Ah!
I keep reminding you?
My aim's a little bit off.
Me?
Yeah.
And then you...
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty big. It's pretty wide, eh?
Yeah. 12 feet.
12 feet inside.
Oh, well, you're not straight. We'll go that way. There, that's 12 feet exactly. So what we're doing is we're leveling our post, but we have to figure out the top of the post, right? Where our joists are going to come off the ledger board. So we set the very first one over there to the height we want to cut. We cut 6 inches off. Now we have to mark each post. So what we did was took the laser level, picked a mark on that first post, transferred it to each post. Here's one of the marks here. And then that mark at the front, we measured from this mark to where we cut,
top,
and that became 49 and 7/16. So that's what we're marking to cut off each of these posts. So that one there is marked, I don't know, it's like 6 or 7 inches off. They vary up and down a little bit. So that's what we're doing. And it's starting to rain, so we're gonna keep going. Anything to add?
That was it's so complicated the way you explained
All right, you
it.
explain
No,
it then.
it's fine.
All right.
Okay, glasses on. 49.
Go to the edge or wherever you're gonna go.
Which edge do
I don't care.
49. And 7/8 right there.
Not 7/8. 7/16.
Or
Between 3/8 and half.
Yes.
Okay, well. Okay.
Okay. So from this mark to that mark is the height we need for all our posts.
First one was 6, 5.5, 5 3/4. That's yucky muddy here, man.
Yeah, we got quite a shower last night.
This morning.
Or this morning we had a major downpour. Well, we've been working, it's been raining all morning, off and on, so I didn't do any videoing of what we've done so far, so I'll just do a quick catch up. We've been working on the posts for the lean-to. We've notched out one side of our post and set our 2x12 in there. And we've done that all the way down. We've got all the posts in place, all level. And the other 2x12 we're gonna set on the face of this. We're not notching it out on this side. We have our helpers back again. There's Gary and there's Jeannie way out there. Oh, sorry, Gary. There's Jeannie way out there taking pictures of our gorgeous trees. And they have their little RV. How big is that, Gary? How big is your RV? 24-foot RV parked in our bush there, so they can, where our shed used to be actually. Last year, or in the spring when they came, they had their RV parked here. But now they moved it over to where the shed used to be, because now the shed is in the way over there.
All right, I'm all the way up tight. Are we kind of level? Or, yeah, not level.
There you go.
Okay.
This is the mouth of the birdie.
This is gonna have to be.
There's the bird's mouth mark. So they're there. There's the bird's mouth right there that we'll be cutting each and every one of these.
Only cut to the tip of a hand cutler.
Many hands make light work.
It's going in. Is that how you hold a saw?
You hold the saw. You go, Gary. I'm just gonna stop from bouncing here. Thank you.
It's up too wide. We'll see. Is that how you cut with a saw?
Yeah.
Do what I say, don't do what I do.
You don't do it like this.
Oh, look at it.
That's too
It doesn't
funny.
look too wonky.
It's not too wonky. washers today. Cut them all yesterday, did the angles and the bird's mouth and everything. Today we're just gonna slap them up. There you go. Now you get to be, that's gonna be your job now too. What? Camera girl.
Gun winch, bring me the gun.
Husband, you will take the gun as it is passed to you. Yeah, dear.
Put at the top, as per Jeanne.
Good. Do a start.
Do a start bend. Okay, I'm gonna work this way.
Yep.
No, I meant from this end.
We'll show you what we're doing with this wire mesh shortly. We are stapling up this wire so we can have an air gap between the steel and the soffit, because if we close that completely right in, we're not going to have any air circulation up into the attic of the main shop. So we figured putting this in will keep letting the air circulate up through and get up into the main shop.
Oh, no, we're in a construction zone. You can't say that too loud because it's just videotaping.
I'm not wearing my safety cross.
Safety second.
Well, say third, but second's the third.
What's that?
Safety third.
Safety third?
Productivity, efficiency, then safety.
Sweetie, safety first. It happens occasionally.
Not the nails.
gloomy October day. Gary and Jeanne left this morning. They helped us build this entire structure. And now Jeff and I are starting to put the steel on the roof. We've got 4 sheets up already, and we're just gonna continue on.
All screwed already?
Yeah.
Can't grip either.
Yeah. This is all going to be closed up. The back wall is going to be closed up. That's for another day, another project. Just wanted to get this done and get this roof on and the steel on so that we can at least get some of the equipment under here to keep it out of the weather. It looks good. It is October 14th, I think, and my marigolds have started flowering finally. There are so many buds coming on these things, and they're gorgeous. It just happened to wait till October before we got any flowers. Yep, they stink. So I guess the deer won't be eating my garden now because now we have marigold flowers and they stink. And the only thing I have left in here now are my carrots and my tomatoes, which are pretty much done. They're not doing too well anymore. Birds got to them, and it's just getting really late in the season. I think we got a little bit of touch of frost on them too, so they're pretty hideous. And yeah, other than that, garden's done.